Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got an auto detailing service and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a simple website for your auto detailing service. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. We've got over 900 currently. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, auto detailing. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've clicked on continue, MultiSites will automatically generate a website for you with the information you've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done it in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use as well. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone. They're very professional. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to that content that was pre-written for you, make it a little bit more personalized to your business. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website. So let's go ahead and tick the box so my customers can get in touch. Phone number, that is click to call. An address, physical location, maybe you mobile, but if not, pop in an address over here. Great thing about it is your customers click on that address will automatically take them to Google Maps. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. If you've got a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can click on that pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. And here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. If you'd like to change the colors on your website, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. No color coding needed at all. Just go through the various color palettes. For each section, you want to make a little bit more personalized to your business. Click on that button directly under it called Update Section. Head on over to Update Images. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through that photo library, hundreds of high-quality images to choose from, or connect your Instagram account with a click of a button. If you have a profile, automatically pull in all those images. Under update action, we can amend those buttons, call to action buttons, the text on them, where they link to. If you take online bookings, maybe through a third party, you can put the URL in over here. Otherwise, upload a PDF file with your different services and costs involved, like a brochure or catalog. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you here, keep track of all your leads in your Multi dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on that yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a domain, you really want one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, go ahead and click on that button as well. You do have the option to purchase a domain via the MultiSites platform as well. Really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your auto detailing service. Really wishing in your business Multi success.